chef and co-owner of Three Blue Ducks, Mark LaBrooy's is joining me today. And we're going to be cooking a delightful dish from your new addition to the Three Blue Ducks clan in Brisbane.
Yes, we've got a charred grilled prawn dish that we're going to do.
Yum. Prawns up in Brizzy, they're outstanding, aren't they?
These are the ones that are coming out of the Clarence, just around Yamba there.
Yep,
So
yep.
absolute spot on product.
Nice.
We're just going to do an interesting little mixed of char of choy some purple kale and a little bit of spring onion.
Oh, gorgeous.
I'm going to get you to start on doing the confit garlic and chilli that we've made previously.
Talk me through what's in this.
This is super simple.
Yep.
Just put it all into the pan, a little bit of olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper.
Yep.
Cover it with foil and just sit in there at 100, 110 for an hour or so.
And what's the purpose of cooking it really slowly and gently in the oven?
We just want to try and release all the flavours that are in the garlic and the chilli without giving it too much colour.
Wow.
So just stick that in there and give it a blend. And then we're going to make a really nice, vibrant paste that we'll put all over the prawns here.
Oh, yum. All right, well, I'm going to blend that.
And then I'm going to dress this with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and give it a char.
Nice one.
Just going to lay those out in the pan there. If you want to get the avocados cut.
Sure.
So we're just going to make an avocado mousse.
Yep.
So I'm just going to get you to put the avocado in there, some lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, and then there's a secret to it to make it really nice and vibrant, or stay vibrant, that we use in the restaurant, and that's just giving it a little bit of glucose.
Glucose? It's not going to be too sweet?
No, it'll be fine. If you don't go too crazy, you'll be fine. Okay, I'm all sweet here with this. I'm just going to give that a little chop.
Yep. Nice.
Straight on our big board here.
How good are grilled veggies? They're so much better than just boiled, right?
Well, you want to make it a little bit more interesting, really,
Exactly.
don't you?
All right, what else goes in here, Mark?
You've got your avos in there, and now we're going to put a little bit of the lemon juice in it, well, both the lemon juice. Give it a, that's the way.
Oh.
And then you're going to put a little bit of that glucose in there. There's some buttermilk. Season it up well, a little splash of olive oil, and give it a whiz until it forms a really nice, beautiful, smooth
Yum, this is going to be delicious.
And then I'm just going to give these a little bit of a douse of the confit garlic and chilli.
Yeah, it's definitely a drenching.
Well, we're not even mucking around, are we?
Yeah, and I mean, you spent time making that beautiful oil with the garlic and the chilli and the pepper in it, so use it.
All right, so I'm just going to get my pan going.
Yep.
And you probably want to think about getting a wriggle on.
Sorry, chef, I'm onto it. I'll blitz this, and they're going into the pan. How long do they take to cook?
We're talking a couple of minutes each side. We want to get some nice dark charred lines on the flesh side, and then we'll just flip them over and they'll sort of slightly curl up again.
And by the time they're done, I'm sure my mousse is going to be absolutely perfect for you.
These prawns are finished up now. I'm just going to race a knife over this.
Yep.
And then I'm going to plate up now. So we just use the mousse here just to go down first.
Yep.
And just give it a good, a little, see that? A little restaurant smear thing.
Chefs, they love a bit of a schmear. I'm starting to do the smear now. Just a copy.
Are you?
Yeah, a little bit.
And then just sort of layer your veggies in there.
Make it look organic.
Just make it look like how it falls.
Just falls onto the plate like that. And I love the contrasting colours. You got that pale green from the avocado, a pop of orange from those gorgeous prawns, and then green and purple.
Well, I think you eat with your eyes.
Yeah.
So if it's got a little bit of colour and it's got a little bit of contrast, like a bit of texture, then I think that you're onto something.
Absolutely.
And then just give the prawns a little bit of lemon juice. All right, Jazz, have a taste. Tell me what you think.
Yes, please. I feel like I want to use my hands for this.
It's all about using your hands.
All right, get rid of that fork. And then just, so soft and tender. That avocado mousse that I've seasoned perfectly.
Unbelievably well seasoned.
That's impeccable.
Thank you.
It's so simple, but so delicious. The zest of the lemon there, that smooth avocado that I made, that's good. And vegetables, just grilling them, just giving them that smoky, crusty flavour. They know what they're doing at Three Blue Ducks. Love your food.
Thank you.